When Vibro, kajim tip nam ta kubar like kam, te kadon ko weka post jong staff e-seva kendra, kapalaj hapo sub-divisional code, Eastern West Khas Hill, Mairang, tang ko weka post. Dengan pulih kum kene ka placement, kade ka walk-in interview, ang walk-in interview, kade ka direct interview, pinlej biha kata-kata rik ka bakila abu, wanlej, ra iki dokumen sejong pi, ki zerok, bari original, wanlej ka interview. Yang nepe kita kajim petip, hawe debat kene. Applications are hereby invited from interested candidates who are eligible and who are citizens of India to appear in work interview for a post of staff on contractual basis at e-seva Kendra, the contractual basis, as I mentioned clearly, at e-seva Kendra on a subdivisional code Eastern West Khas Hill, District Mairang. The post is purely on contractual basis for a period of 1 year. Kashisnam, kilaban extend biang katkum kajinon kam. Number of posts tanggawai ka remuneration katulok pakin ai kan debit khatsan hajar shibanai 15,000 per month. Essential qualification dilong graduate but pendebru ia ka PGDCA or its equivalent with 55% aggregate mark from a government recognized university. 100% ka marks. Kan mau kita kuat apply kita pendeb ia ka PGDCA lane equal ia ka PGDCA. Age ka debit kat pradu life news name job profile tela tip hi ngamnan kam ban na batai phap tre ki kam ke debit kum staff handling inquiries, facilitate application, facilitate e-filing petition, pandap ki form, pandap ki assess online purchase e-stamp paper, one third e-stamp paper, one third jinon kam ke bade po ka code. And venue kade biha ka po Hamerang hi po sub divisional code Eastern West Khas Hill Mairang. Kadit kade apply tarik jong panai Agos arjar arpsaus kan mau ikani ka tarik apply tarik Agos direct interview late biha ka apply tarik Agos ra iki dokumen jong pi ba xerox ban original hakatu kapor. Time of registration kan dai shipo baji mesti baru shipo stang lebih poi be haswa jong ne kapor kin register by tang stang kanta la Islam ya kane kin mau accept show ya ka ban register. General instruction rokumda don kam than ban batai the post is purely on contractual ada batai. Candidate may appear for the work interview and submit their fill of application kan mau pihak pendap baik lengba ka standard form pandap lupa berarti ki passport size photograph self attest ki photocopies of all the necessary document ki dokumen ki ba video ban submit self attest ki bro xerox ra lengkap barka berki original jongki ru ha juga por salek ha ketika tarik ke ba ki lai ini ada mention clearly kelada ong ba candidate are also to bring along with them the original certificate and the document of the photocopied certificate. Verification during the time of the interview. Registration of candidate will be conducted as per date and time. Ladap ay katu tarik angtay. The selected candidate for the post will be recommended to the High Court of Meghalaya. After which result will be declared. Kinsa declare kinsa permit biha po ka website. Kan mau ha ki balai jagane. Kinsa declare ka result kin permit biha po ka website. District and Session Judge West Khas Hill District Nongston. Teng sabu ru kaling je sa check angtu nakapor nam ta ki result iba debat kini ke post district e-seva. Tangini higi jemput khule shubun.